What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right now, people, I come in here right now, people, with some sad news. Because former national striker LUT0N has died. And it's really sad, people, because LUT0N, you know, our top goal scorer for Jamaica, people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, has sadly passed away at the age of 35. Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you, I really feel this one. Because this youth, he's a fighter. He's very strong, people. He never give up. You understand? And he has a wife, people, who was around him and show him so much love. She just strong for him to people and to tell her it's really sad. So right now, people, I just gonna read this thing about the passing so that you can understand, you know what I mean, the full thing, details by details, and then the attacking boss will give up some words and things, people, because John know, it's sad, people, sad. LUT0N has died. Shelton passed away on Friday after suffering from amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, more commonly known as ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, since 2017. ALS is a progressive nervous system disease that affects nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord, causing loss of muscle control. Known for not only his deft finishing up front, but also his pace on the wings. Shelton represented his boyhood club Harborview in the Jamaica Premier League before moving on to Europe, where he had stint as Helsingborgs in Sweden, Sheffield United in the English Premier League, Vålerenga and AIB in Norway and Denmark respectively, Karabukspor in Turkey, and the now defunct Russian side Volga Nizhny Novgorod, before returning to Harborview, where he has last played before his ailments began. He made 75 appearances for the Reggae Boys between 2004 and 2013 and scored 35 goals in the process. That goal count stands today as a record for national men's football. Shelton is survived by wife Bobette and his 3 children. He was 35 years old. So, viewers and subscribers, honestly, it's really sad, you know, because I remember even when his dad did pass away, people, and that was really a sad one for him also, because his dad was a strong man around him who stood up beside him right through this sickness, people, and you can see where LUT0N fight it out, people, and he never give up. And to tell you that, you know, the man has just dropped out, so people, honestly, I feel it, you know. He was a really talented footballer, people. He was such a talent, and that's why I always say them something else, you know. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. Remember LUT0N, people. One of the top talk. He was the top talk in Jamaica football. When this man touched upon the field for the Reggae Boys and you hear him score, you hear the man shout out, LUT0N. You understand? Stadium get up, people. Because this man, when him take the ball, people, and him run up there and him ping, I'm telling you, watching him in even the English Premier League, because I used to watch him there. I never really watch him in the other leagues, them like in Russia, because if you notice people like those names that I name out, I never can call those names so properly, because those are some words that wish I can't really pronounce those Russian words and those, you know what I mean? But in the end, people, it's just sad to know that, you know, he has gone, but it's life. We all know that he was suffering with this disease, you know what I mean, from the time that he came out and he talked people, and you know, they were seeking help for him, and a lot of people come and they donate. When I time they have even a function for him, and they do get a good turnout and things. So, you know, it was a thing where he was trying, he was pushing out, you know, he never give up, people. And as I tell you, he have a strong wife beside him, and I just want to send out my deepest condolences right now to the wife of LUT0N, Bobette, also his other families, his children, everybody, people, because, you know, it's sad, people. And I just can't imagine what they are going through right now. You know, I can tell you that they are going through a lot right now, people. And to tell you the thing about it, you know, viewers and subscribers, Zane, when you look into this thing, right, this man him always just keep up front no matter the condition. He never try before when they talk, they said like he did try to, cause he's a person who like this, who never want to see him suffering or not like that, people. So he always keep strong on them something there. But to tell you, in the last part of it, people, things just turn around and just turn bad for this man, and only Jah sees and knows, viewers and subscribers. Cause his last thing that he write, people, on his Instagram, his last post for the new year, and his last post was on January the 1st. You understand? Because he wasn't a person who actually was posting a lot of them things. Because you don't know the condition where what this man is going through, people. It's not a nice feeling to know the pain that he feels. Because you tell us sometimes he in pain and he cry. And, you know, for some people, they would say he's in a better place now because all his pain is now gone, people and thing. And, you know, but, wow, it's just sad, people. So let me just read this thing from his last post that he did make. And he said, 2020 was a challenge for everyone. I am sure, but honestly, I thank God I made it through. Seeing another year ahead gives me the motivation to challenge years to come, because I am sure it cannot get worse than last year. I am blessed to be here because sometimes it's dark on my side. Thank you, wifey, and Happy New Year, everyone. Viewers and subscribers, tell you the truth, you know what I mean? It's sad, people. Honestly, it's sad. You know, because he tried. He tried, people. He fight along. And, you know, when he decided that, you know what, I'm going to be a fighter, I'm not going to give up. Because when he know that he have a wife beside him, people, who stand up so strong, you know, never give up. She just did it with him right through, people. And, you know, but it's just life, my people. It's just life, you know. It's sad, man, to tell her this youth, boy, he was a talent, man. He was a talent. He was a talent. Nobody knows that tomorrow may bring, people. Nobody knows, you know. The final stages, and when life can just come, so boom, and it just go down the drain, you know. It's really sad, man. I feel it, people, tell you the truth. Rest in peace, LUT0N. And if you notice and you check my videos, people, I cover story on this man more than once, you know. Yeah, cause even the other day, I think a couple of months ago, I did put up a post and just give some people some reminder that if they never know that this man is the, because you have a record that he's the only person to do, you know. Yeah, man. And oh, I feel it, people. I feel it, you know. Such a talent just gone. Rest in peace, LUT0N. We all know what he was going through, my brother. We all know, you know. We all know. And as I tell you, he set a record, people. He set a record, and this man name will live on, you know. Yeah, man. Because the record, where many people never know that he's the only man, people, on planet right now, up to date, to score 4 goals on his debut, you know. His real debut in international football, he's the only man to score 4 goals, you know. So it's just a joy, people. It's just a joy. But rest in peace, LUT0N. And yo, people, this man name, just like how they can come forward, people, and I see where they build statue for people and them something who alive see him and see them a legend. In soccer, this man should be a legend for Jamaica. He has a national record for Jamaica. 35 goals for so long, which nobody can break right now. Me not saying can, but they not break it, you understand? And he has passed away at a young age, 35 years old, you know? So I think this Mr. Oldness now, anybody at all, I don't check who, you know, they need to do something for him. Very special, yeah? Which they could have done already, people. You get me? I say, yeah, man, they could have done something special for him while he was alive and they know the condition he was going through. But most time, when I did, they really get the salute we forget, you know. When they're alive and I really see nothing. But now, he do gone now, people. He passed away, gone left his children, he gone left his children, gone left his wife, you know what I mean? And so, in the end, people, let's just, you know, be strong for him. And as I said, just hope the government can do something where we can look upon and remember LUT0N Shelton. Even at the National Stadium, put up a statue with this man there or something, you know, because his name should be in that history book there. 35 goals for Jamaica up to date, and is the most national record. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Rest in peace, LUT0N Shelton. Your memories will always live on, brother. Don't know. Rest in peace. Big up, people. Peace out. I'm out.